Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be making tuba cap or auto gele. This is the tuba cap, or you can call it auto gele, whatever name you like to call it. This is what I'm going to be making today. So if you're interested in knowing how I make this auto gele or tuba cap, please keep watching. I don't know if you can see. This is the base, the cap. I'm using suede material, stretch on this side, on where I'm going to relax on my forehead. This is the head circumference. It's stretched on this part, and this side is not stretched. I measure 19 inches. I use 2 inches to sew here. The remaining here is 17 inches. I'm going to be using 22 inches here. That after folding it to 2, I have 11.5 inches. So I will use ½ inch to sew here. Then I will use 22 inches for the head circumference. That is the one I'm going to relax on my forehead, this place. I'm going to cut here. Then after cutting, you can sew all before you draw gather on it, or you can just draw gather on it like that. For the design on top, I have this long one here. This is 60 inches. And I have 20 inches here. That means I have 80 inches into 2 places. 7.5 inches by 80 inches. 2 pieces. I will join here. Foam, which I'm going to place inside. And I have this one. This one is used for pillow. You can use this, or you can use foam. Anyone you have at home, you can use. I'm done with the sewing. 7.5 inches by 160 inches. I join it to 2 because it's tiny, so I want thick one. I have the measurement here is 13 inches. I will bring the right side this way into 2. I fold into 2 like this. I will sew here, and the measurement 13 inches. I will leave 16 inches open without sewing. Then I will sew from here all the way this way, and I will bring the right side out. I'm done with the sewing. I'm going to bring the right side out, and I leave this place open 16 inches. I'm going to sew this here. And sew with thread and needle or with machine. I leave about 1 or 1.5 inch here. I'm going to sew here. I'm done sewing the foam. What I will do now is here I will use thread and needle to make plinths or gather on this place. This is where I sew. I will follow where I sew gently. So I will start the gather from here, or plinth from here. Continue like this. After sewing up to this place, I have 14 inches remaining here. I'm going to use this to tie on the back, this 14 inches. I will draw the thread like this and I will sew to secure the thread. I tie multiple times. Like this. The form, I'm going to trim a little bit like this. It's 1.5 inch. I trim out. I will sew here to tie on the back. I've already uploaded this. I have this one also. You can go and check this one out. I'm going to sew on the back. I will sew on the back with thread and needle. Here, this one I just add gather on the, and also on the cap. I will sew on the back. I will also do the same with this side, this form. I will do the same. I will sew the one to tie on this side before I sew on the base. I will sew here, then sew, bring the right side out, then sew inside. I'm done sewing the one to tie on the back. From here to here, 2.5 inches or 3 inches. I'm going to start to sew. Place on the center here, hold with pin before you start to tack with thread and needle. I'm going to start here. So like that. Continue. I'm almost done. I tie here and I cut. I will bring together like this to sew this back and draw gather. I will tie. I will sew back many times to make sure the thread is secure. 5 inches by 19 inches. I'll bring this way and sew here. This is the final look, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. Please share this video to friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.